Hi, I'm Carmen Bruni,
And my name is Bernard Conrad.
and we're going to talk about how to contribute to the Math Exam or Educational Resources Wiki. So we assume you've already watched the first video and you know what this wiki is about, and so hopefully now you're really pumped and excited to contribute, but the question is, how do you do that? So the first thing to do is to go back to the main page and to click on the How to Contribute button. And it'll take you to this page, which has a little bit of text, and in particular it has our email address, but more importantly, our contributors portal page. So we click on here, and I've already preloaded it for us, and that'll take us to this page right here, Science MER. So if you Google MER Wiki instead of Math Exam Resources Wiki, you can get to this page. And what this is sort of the actually maybe Bernard can explain.
Yeah, so this page is the back end of the Math Exam Resources. This is where this is not for students to use and not for the public really. This is just for us contributors to manage our work and to quickly have an overview of current to-dos and of currently how the wiki is currently used.
That's right.
So MER is short for Math Exam Resources, but also is just the address to get to this portal.
So here you can see we have all of these exams incomplete at the moment. Again, though, we're in the summer term right now, so there's no pressing need to fill any of these courses. But these are the tasks that we have open.
So these percentage signs, this is not the difficulty or easiness rating. This is the how far advanced is an exam in being completed.
That's right. So we actually have some sort of cryptic scaling that we've made to contribute these percentages. So posting a question is somehow worth less than posting a solution to a question, right? So we have this reflected in these numbers. Down below, we also have these open tasks. So these flags these questions need to be reviewed. The question statements, these questions need to have hints reviewed. These questions need to have solutions reviewed. And I say these questions, you can click on these flags over here, and they'll take you to the page where you can click on these questions. And then these ones are ones where we need to improve the question hint or solution. But we'll get to this a little bit later. But you can quickly see how you can get some tasks open. So clearly a lot of questions need to be reviewed. We're starting a little pilot project right now that we're in the middle of, so that's why this number is so high. We also have, just sort of to keep our spirits up, we have the number of solutions, complete exams, or easiness votes, and the main page views.
Next, you see the latest changes that were done on any of the pages on the Math Exam Resources webpage. So we see that on the left there's current content changes. Whenever any contributor updates or adds or changes any content, this will just be displayed here so that you know when recent changes were made. We also have discussion pages, and when students or contributors add to the discussion pages, is also reflected here so that we have an overview. And then we have more organizational content on the right, where we say, did someone change this page that we're currently looking at, or related pages, or did we change any of the templates that were used?
That's right. What else is down here? So down below we have some more resources. Again, the contributors guide, which is a huge sort of overview of what we've done, and the manual as well.
Yeah.
Credit page. I guess we should talk a little bit about the credit page below. Course creation. We'll talk about this in another video, but for now, we can look at the current organizing committee and contributors. So this is one of the key steps if you want to contribute, you'll have to contact ideally the webmaster, whoever that is. So currently that's Bernard, or who else would you could contact?
You just email merwiki@math@ubc.ca to get in contact with the current contributor.
Yeah, and that would work too. And the UBC IT is the default in case all other things fail. Contacting one of these people will help you to get access to contributing. So this is a wiki, but it's a bit of a closed wiki. Everyone who requests access basically gets it, but you have to request access first.
Exactly. So everyone can read it, but not everyone can change it. And this is reflected by the way that the UBC wiki is set up in general. You see that you have on the address bar, you have wiki.ubc.ca, and after that is science, which is a namespace. And some namespaces are open for everyone to edit, and some are open only for a specific group to edit. And the science namespace is only editable by people who have the rights to do that.
So clearly, me and Bernard both have these rights, and anyone else on the team also has these rights as well.
So again, this page is just for the contributors to see what the current tasks are, and it reads information from the front page, the Math Exam Resources page, and displays it for contributors.
So maybe we can just quickly take a look at one of these pages just to see. So on here we have a work in progress on exams. So we have these 2 exams that we need a little bit of work on. Here are the most recently updated pages, and as you can keep going, and we have some nicely displayed tables where we can see what work needs to be done, where we need to add solutions. So here we need to add 11 hints, 11 solutions, and we need to review 10 question statements from this 2011 exam, and over here we need to add 4 hints and 4 solutions to the 2012 exam.
So all these abbreviations will be explained in another video.
Right. These are our flags, which we will talk about later. For now, I think that's the basics for getting started with the wiki. So again, thank you very much for listening. Hopefully you stay tuned for part 3.